Yum, yum!
Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a moment to introduce my studio lighting setup that's available now on Gumroad. This is a kit that should help you be able to grab your objects and the things that you've modeled and light them quickly and efficiently to be able to get good high quality renders without a lot of hassle. I've put hundreds of hours of work into this, hoping to save you a few hours of your own time as you're setting up your next render. So there are a few different things inside of the kit, and just to give you a quick overview, there are three specific examples that I'll show you here right now. One is going to be a small HDR-based Lightbox, and this is going to be geared mostly towards smaller objects, but you can really put just about anything in it. So really this one is pretty simple. You just put in your object and hit render. There are a couple of different options for the Lightbox that will allow you to get some different illumination depending on the kind of objects that you're putting in there. Basically just drop in, hit render, and you're good to go. The next one is a small scale studio kit that is based off of kind of product shots, small renders, and things like that. And this comes with a number of different actual object based lights that allow you to light without HDR, and that gives you the flexibility and freedom to be able to really fine tune and hone in the lighting to get exactly what you want out of your lighting scenario. So it's a small kit that's got a few different things in it. So again, just open up the scene, drop in your item, and you're good to go. And the final item in the scene, and the biggest one that I'm most excited about, is the full-scale studio environment. This is based off of a large-scale warehouse-based photography studio that is going to be a large scene big enough to pretty much house anything you want here, from cars or spaceships to just about anything else. It's a large scene with a number of different options to help you set up and light your objects quickly. If that's just dropping in a large scale overhead softbox, or a smaller kit of individual lights to really punch up the details that you want to pull out in your model, or if you want to open up the windows, turn on the overhead halogens, and get some nice, more natural and informal looking lighting. This has got pretty much everything that you need to set up and get a good lighting scenario fast and without a lot of hassle. Now, I spent a lot of time testing and building up this kit so that everything that's in here should work well with just about anything that you want to throw at it. So just open it up, toss in your objects, pick the lights, and hit render. I really hope you enjoy it and that you can make something cool for your next render. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.
Yum, yum!